Today I am unboxing a mystery pallet from Goodwill, and this is mystery pallet number 2. Hi everyone, my name is Emily. I am a part-time reseller and a full-time mom to 3 kids. I've been selling on eBay since 2003 and on Poshmark since 2018. Today I am unboxing a mystery pallet from Goodwill, and this would be the second pallet that I have purchased from them. If you haven't watched my first Goodwill mystery pallet unboxing video, I will put the link in the description box below. That pallet was full of raw donations, and this pallet that I am unboxing today was marked as a store pull or shelf pull, which means that whatever clothing items that did not sell in the store within a certain amount of time was then pulled from the floor and tossed into these pallets. I'll let you know what I think about this pallet at the end of the video. I'm just going to start pulling some items out to show you what brands are in this box. I actually chose this pallet because there appeared to be some really nice blazers laying right on top of it. This here is a kid's jacket by Cherokee. It had some stains on it, so it will be redonated. Here's a hoodie, but the tags had been cut out, so it will also be redonated. And before I forget to tell you, I had paid $255 for this pallet. This is a Chico's blazer, but it's an older style, so I won't be selling it as well. If this keeps going the way it is, I will probably be redonating the entire pallet. This blouse here, I was going to list on Poshmark, but after reading the negative reviews about this blouse on the Nordstrom website, I decided not to sell it. Some people were complaining about how the blouse was cut kind of weird, and therefore most people were not happy with the fit of it. Perhaps that's the reason why it got donated. It's important to me that my customers are happy with their purchase, so I decided not to sell it. Next is a plus size shirt by Pure Energy, and since it is not worth much, I might just send this one into ThredUp. Okay, I like this blazer here. It's by Banana Republic, but it had a few stains on the front, so I'm going to see if I can stain treat it. Here's another blazer, but this one's by Merona. I think this would be perfect to wear for the Christmas season. This is a Hurley jacket, but it's kind of worn and faded, so that's a no for me. Okay, I like this next sweater. It is by Jean Pierre, and I think it would look really cute with a pair of leggings and some knee-high boots. It would be a great fall-winter look. This jacket here is also by Merona, and I was going to sell it, but unfortunately it had some discoloration on the back. Darn it, because I like selling utility jackets. This sweater is by Liz Claiborne, but it was kind of worn and pilly, so next. And this red blazer had no tags, so next. Sorry guys, this is the reality of buying a Goodwill pallet. It ain't all going to be exciting. Next we have a blazer, and it is by Old Navy. Here we have another utility jacket, but this one is by Liz Claiborne. And this white blazer had no tags. This is a teen boys jacket by Matix, but it was kind of worn. Here's a hoodie by Massimo, just another Target brand. I hope you don't fall asleep watching this video. This is a hoodie, and it is by Style & Co., which is a brand that is sold at Macy's. Here's a pair of pajama pants, but it's pretty worn. I don't like to sell pajama pants on its own because it's hard to sell unless it's a brand like Nick and Nora. This is a kid's shirt by Cat and Jack, also a Target brand. Alright, this LL Bean shirt here may be the best item in this entire pallet. Comps on eBay showing that this particular shirt is selling for $30 plus shipping. It's a men's size XXL tall, and it is fleece lined. I already have this item listed on eBay if anyone is interested in it. Here's a jacket by Ann Taylor Loft, Boy, I hate light colored clothing because there's bound to be a stain somewhere on it. This is a sweatshirt by Aerie, but it's too worn. Here's another pair of pajama pants. And another. Here's a sweater by Miracle. I'm not familiar with this brand, so I looked it up, and it doesn't appear to be worth anything. Okay guys, I think you get the gist of what brands and type of clothing you'll get in a store pull pallet. Unfortunately, I can't film me going through the entire pallet here at Goodwill because that would just take too long, and I've got hungry kids at home waiting for some lunch. Here we are, folks. Out of an entire pallet, I only ended up with 6 bags of sellable items. I haven't even closely inspected them for flaws yet, so I'm sure after doing so, I may end up with just 4 bags worth of clothes. Alright, let me dump them out and show you what's in them. This is a women's snow jacket by Quicksilver. I was going to list this one, but as I was taking photos of it, I had found some stains. This sleeveless shirt is by Jones New York, and it is new with tags. I might send this one into ThredUp. I've already ordered a ThredUp bag, and I'm just waiting for them to send it to me so that I can fill it up with some clothes that I don't want to list myself. Here's a nice sweater jacket by Andrew Mark, and I was disappointed to find out that the comps are really low on this one because it is really well made, and I thought it would be expensive. And plus it's in like new condition, but unfortunately I won't be getting much for it. What a shame. This is a sleeveless shirt by Ann Taylor, and I thought it was kind of cute. But unfortunately it had some faint stains, and I tried to stain treat it, but the stains would not come out. Sad. Here's an open fringe shirt by Rebecca Taylor, but it also had some stains on the front. It's no wonder these items did not sell in the Goodwill stores. Here's a pair of pants by Hillary Radley. I didn't see anything wrong with these, so they'll get sent to ThredUp. This sweatshirt is by 32 Degree Heat. I couldn't figure out if it was men's or women's. It was pretty soft and comfy, and I liked the color, so I just kept it for myself. Here's a pair of jeans by DL1961. I've seen this brand many times at Goodwill, but every time I check the comps, they have not been good, so I've never picked it up. I was going to list this one though, since it was part of the palette, but there was an issue on the back of the pants. For some reason, it was kind of puffy around the butt area. The last item in this bag is a cardigan by Ann Taylor Loft, size extra large, new with tags. It is solid in the front and has a pretty floral print on the back. I already had this one listed in my Poshmark closet if you are interested in it. On to the next bag. Here's the LL Bean shirt that I had shown to you earlier. Thank God there were no stains on this one. And here's the little boy's Cat and Jack shirt, also already shown earlier. Next up is a cardigan by Charter Club. I might just send this one into ThredUp as well. Okay, most of the stuff in this bag I had already shown to you earlier in the video, so I'll just fast forward through the rest of this bag. This is a pair of jogger by Howitton. I believe it's just a cheap brand that sold on Amazon. I would probably just add this to my Poshmark closet as a free gift with purchase. If you don't already know, I have lots of free gift guides. You just need to make a purchase, and then you can choose from one of the many free gifts available in my Poshmark closet. Okay, let's continue with the next item. This is a men's quarter zip North Face shirt, but sadly there were quite a bit of stains on the back. At first I thought it was just some sort of design, but then realized nope, there were just a bunch of stains. Damn it. This is just a men's long sleeve t-shirt size 2X. I will be adding this one to my Poshmark closet as a free gift as well. Here's a Nike polo shirt, new with tags. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think it's for any professional football team. This is a jacket by Mia. I've never heard of this brand before, but I did some research and I believe it is sold on Revolve, so I might be able to sell it for a decent amount of money. Here's a blouse by Ellen Tracy and it is new with tags. I have a hard time selling this brand, so I will probably be sending this one into ThreadUp. And this here is a dress with a broken zipper. This is a quilted jacket by A New Day, which is a Target brand. It's a nice jacket and a good size, so I will be listing this one in my Poshmark closet. And the last item is this girl's Cherokee jacket, which you have already seen in the beginning of the video. Alright, on to the next bag. Okay, you've already seen this red blazer by Marona, shown earlier in the video. And this is the Banana Republic blazer, which you had also already seen. But here I am showing you where there were a few spots on the front of the blazer. You've already seen the next two items, so I'll fast forward past it. This shirt here is by Horsewear Platinum. I've never heard of this brand, but the shirt was stained anyway, so it didn't really matter. The last three items you've already seen, so again, I'll fast forward past it. Okay, only two bags left, guys. This is a biker short, new with tags by Fashion Nova. This brand is similar to Forever 21, so it ain't worth much. Therefore, it's going to be another free gift with purchase. This is a girl's Under Armour legging, size youth small, which is equivalent to a size 7/8. I already have this item listed in my Poshmark closet if you are interested in it. And this is a pair of boys sweatpants, size extra large by Reebok. Here's a cute plaid Abercrombie & Fitch dress. I like it, but it's a bit faded from washing. This is a hooded shirt by Susan Graver. I may send this one into ThreadUp. I sometimes have a hard time selling this brand. Here's a shirt by Lauren Ralph Lauren. I love selling this brand, and I also love selling velvet clothing during the fall and winter. This is a quarter zip shirt by Peter Millar. Here's another brand that I like to sell. Hopefully this won't have any flaws on it. Here's a really nice suede open front jacket by Hearts of Palm, size 8. I love the color and the style on this jacket, so I have already added it to my Poshmark closet if you're interested in it. This shirt is Kalia by Carrie Underwood. A few years ago, her stuff used to be a quick sell for me, but it does appear that her brand may be losing some steam. But people are going to start looking for activewear clothes soon, so I'll go ahead and list it in my Poshmark closet. The last item is a tank by Bella Canvas, new with tags, but it's only worth a few dollars, so I'll be redonating it. Alright, we are down to the very last bag, guys. Right after this bag, I'll do a quick what sold for my last pallet. If you haven't watched my other Goodwill unboxing video, I'll put the link in the description box below. My first Goodwill mystery pallet was an unprocessed donation pallet, and this is the second pallet that I am unboxing, which is labeled as a store pull pallet. I am new at buying Goodwill mystery pallets, so I didn't know what to expect really. I can say though that after unboxing both pallets, I prefer to take my chances with the unprocessed donation pallets. The last pallet that I got was full of rags, cheap scarves, and dirty stinky socks. And in this pallet, well, I feel as though honestly it wasn't much better. I only ended up with 4 bags of sellable items. In this pallet, there were some clothes that didn't have any tags in them whatsoever. Some of the clothes were too worn to be sold. A large amount of the clothes had flaws or stains on them, and the rest were your low-end brands. This is the first time that I had purchased this type of pallet and will probably be the last time. Now that I know what this type of pallet is like, I'll take my chances with the unprocessed donations. This is strike 2 for me, guys. One more strike and I may have to quit buying mystery pallets. Okay, let's go over what sold for me from my last Goodwill mystery unprocessed donations pallet. I had sold 5 items on eBay, and the first item is this Native American Indian costume. I actually had this costume listed on Poshmark as well, but someone had left me a comment on the listing saying that this costume was offensive to her culture. When I had received that message, I was a bit shocked and didn't really know how to respond to that. Then a few days later, Poshmark had taken down my listing for the reason of it being offensive. I guess she had reported my listing and therefore it was removed from Poshmark. But luckily, I had also listed it on eBay and it sold on there for $24.99 with free shipping. I'm curious to know what you guys think about this matter and what would you have done? Let me know in the comments section below. The next item that sold is a striped acrylic shirt by Miss Ook, size large. I love selling this brand, but unfortunately, I don't find it very often. It sold for $34.99 with free shipping. Okay, now this was a quick sale. It sold within just a few days of listing it. It is a Rebecca Minkoff crossbody purse, and it sold for $34.99 with free shipping. Next, we have a lot of boys' clothes, which included 2 Under Armour and 1 Nike shirt. All were extra large, and the lot sold for $28 with free shipping. The last item to sell on eBay is this Sue London foldable ballet flats, size 7. These are great for traveling and take very little space in your luggage. I sold it for $48 with free shipping. Okay, now from Poshmark. I only sold 3 items on there, and the first item is a pair of Fry boots, size 6. They weren't perfect. They had some stains and marks, but they still sold for $36. And here we have 2 pairs of Under Armour sweatpants, size youth medium, and the lot sold for $25. The last item to sell on Poshmark is another pair of women's boots by BCB Girls, size 6.5. I really like the red and black combo. These boots sold for $36. And that's it, folks. That's all that sold for me from the unprocessed donations pallet. I don't have too many things left from that pallet to sell. So far, I've made a total gross sale of $248.57 on both platforms. And if you subtract the fees, I've made a net profit of $214.57. As a reminder, I had paid $310 for the pallet, so I have yet to make my money back. I still need to make $95 more to break even. It would be nice if I can buy a pallet that would make me some money. Well, I had purchased a third pallet, guys, and it seems to be a good one. It's another unprocessed donation pallet, and I think that I will actually make a profit on this one. Here's a sneak peek at it. I can't wait to share this next pallet with you guys, so if you're not already subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button. If you don't mind clicking the thumbs up button on the way out, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet and eBay store. The links will be posted in the description box below. See ya in my next Goodwill mystery pallet unboxing video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day. Bye!